everyone, this is Kathy. Welcome back to hosted by program Go Online and keep following our booth display live show. There are lots of good suppliers and products waiting for you. Right now I am in front of Zhongshan BoLang Lighting. So what's about their good? Let's go inside and find out more. Now from the general look, I can tell maybe they're professional in making the LED wall lights, but we are not sure. Okay, now let's find someone to help us. Hello, my name is Kathy. May I have your name?
My name is Bruce.
Okay, Bruce, nice to meet you. Please say hello to our audience.
Hello.
Okay, so Bruce, would you like to tell us something about your company?
Of course. Our company, BoLang Lighting, started from 2012. From the beginning, we focused on the field of bathroom mirror lighting, and by now we have more than 11 years old. Our main products are bathroom mirror light and picture lighting. So, but now we, for this kind of light, our company includes making the spare parts, finish. Assembling the whole lighting feature and sales whole system.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. I think I have learned something about BoLang Lighting. Okay, now let's get closer about their products. Okay, would you like to tell us something about their products?
Of course.
Yeah.
For example, this kind of bathroom light is our good seller in European market. As you can see, this is a modern style and British, yeah, with the function of IP44. So it's very good seller in European market.
I think yes, it does look modern and simple, right?
Yeah.
But I am not sure it's not simple when you're making it.
Yeah.
It looks simple, but actually not in the making way.
Yes, indeed. For example, for this kind of simple looks simple light,
Right.
but for us it's not very simple for the
Right.
designing, and we need to open the three modes. Set these plastic caps, set cap, and the aluminum base and the pasty lens. These three parts all need to open the new mode. So we should design the structure and making the new mode and then to make the spare parts.
Right.
So this will involve more than 25 procedures.
Right.
Yes.
I can tell. Yes, that's what I say. It looks simple, but actually it's not in the procedure, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think the color temperature, can it be changed? The color temperature.
The color temperature can be changed according to the customer's need.
So
Yeah.
which means it can be customized.
Yes.
Okay, I can see. Okay, so and what else?
For example,
Okay.
yeah, this model we have applied for European patent already. Yeah, this design is totally different from the older models. As we can see, the base is different. It's totally different from these models. This model is older models, but for these models, it looks different. The style, the base is more stylish,
Right.
and the lighting tube can be adjustable.
Right.
Yeah, also can be put out and taken for to ensure the small package, and this will help our customer to reduce
Right.
the shipping cost.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I am surprised that the bar can be rotated. Yeah, you can just rotate it by.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Yeah, it can easily remove it so that you can save your shipping cost.
Yes.
That's a really
Yes.
good design. So, Bruce, where does your product mainly sell to?
Our products mainly sells to overseas markets such as the European market and the USA market.
Okay.
For example, for European market, we cooperated with very famous brands in European market such as Pullman, Wolfie, Brilliant, and yes, in Russian market, and so on. For the US market, we we cooperated with many sellers on Amazon platform. On the Amazon platform of this vanity lights, we have taken 30% percentage, over sales. Sales figure on that platform.
Okay, I see. So they are really professional in making this kind of product and sell it to basically like the real market and the USA market, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So everyone, now let's take a good look about their showroom. So they are really good at making LED wall lights.
Yes.
And well, maybe we can say mirror light.
Mirror light or vanity light or kitchen lighting. Different things.
Okay, I see. So that's so much for today's BoLang lighting today. So everyone, if you are interested in their products and the supplier, don't forget to leave a message below and scan the QR code at the end of the video. We're going to have someone to help you. That's all for today. Bye bye.